Greetings, everyone. I'm so honored to be with each of you today, guiding you on the golden path of remembrance, remembering who you are and why you are here. Today, I want to talk about a very lucrative and abundant choice, and that is forgiveness. Forgiveness is a gift that you bestow to yourself, because if you are not forgiving yourself or others, it holds your energy prisoner and hostage to the past. Your most powerful resource is your presence. So in order to truly forgive, the most important thing to remember is that this is a gift for you and your own liberation. The ancient ones never used the word sorry because they knew that all of life was a gatekeeper. Experience is a portal for us to remember and to make a higher choice. So when you choose to forgive, because it is a choice, this is your way of loving yourself and freeing up your energy so that you can be available for all of the gifts that you are intended to experience in this lifetime. So what I want to speak about now is what I call beyond forgiveness. Beyond forgiveness is a soul narrative that reminds you that when you chose to come into this incarnation and this soul curriculum, there was a predisposed karmic pattern and influence at play that was here to have you purify, to detox, and to free yourself of anything that no longer serves. So beyond forgiveness, if you know that your life is orchestrated from a spiritual place, from your soul, based on a karmic opportunity to purify, to remember, and to come into allegiance and alignment with your own soul and purpose, then you know and trust that there's nothing to forgive. Spirit, Source, God, Great Mystery has never turned a blind eye. I know the mind can't possibly conceive of why things have unfolded in the way that they have, but when we operate from a higher perspective and we choose to translate our experience through the narrative of how has this happened for me, how was that suffering, pain, and circumstance and situation a catalyst for you to come into deeper union with your own sovereign being? When you choose to open yourself to those types of questions and that quality of questions, it allows Spirit and Source to align and to guide you in powerful ways so that you're feeling fully resourced. So beyond forgiveness is reminding you that everything has been governed by the divine conspiracy. There are no accidents, there's no mistakes. You've never gotten it wrong, you've never been off path. Everything is unfolding in accordance to a cosmic narrative that is supporting your soul remembrance, ultimate alignment with your purpose, and to receive your birthright of abundance as a result of that in this lifetime. I invite each of you to not only choose forgiveness, but to go beyond forgiveness and really nestle and settle in the knowing that every single thing that has occurred in your life has been purposeful and it has been deliberate and divine. Sending you many blessings. If you haven't already, go ahead and ring the notification bell, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any loving, empowering reminders to serve your beautiful journey.